The new exchange, in the most non-exclusive way, is called New Exchange Trading or Money Exchange. It outlines the trading of monetary designs for the web-based trade market of the official website of currency markets coordinators, which isn't completely settled to make an augmentation. This kind of exchange's impact on further developing the exchanging site page can be epic, as it shapes different bits of the web plan, handiness, and parts. Currency markets coordinators' commitment. These philosophies of the currency markets coordinators are typical, easy to use, and prominent. Non-local exchanging areas routinely have complex outlines. It offers trustworthy information moving and different exchanging contraptions. In any case, this particular exchange site has spread out a quality of utmost hard work and passion of traders that gives a fundamental preface to these components while seeing that straightforwardness is the head. Credible data sharing. Non-nearby exchanging works intentionally and reliably, and dealers need affirmation to push cash costs, market news, cash-related exchanging pointers, and other basic data on currency markets coordinators' protected business section. The site has the best show method of showing information concerning new trading records. Along these lines, brokers have dumbfounding data to go with clever choices. The outlining and thought assessment pattern of new trade predominantly depends upon unequivocal examinations to anticipate cost improvement. It gives advanced framing gadgets at various times, bolts, drawing contraptions, and various parts that guide the particular assessment. Unfamiliar money trade can be gravely organized, particularly for students. Client obligation and upkeep can be also advanced by giving edifying resources like enlightening activities, online courses, articles, and records. Impressive qualities of the site. Currency markets coordinators' new exchange markets are quick, and exchange execution speed is central. Being a virtual objective, it needs strong regions to keep away from slippage and confirmation that specialists can enter and leave positions immediately. Various sorts of exchanging fights ought to offer a party of strategy types and better places of solicitation, and that is just the beginning. These work with sorts of award transporters to execute different exchange structures. Organizing gadget. In cross-country exchanges, an able security frame is fundamental. Security is focal in web-based exchange. Strong achievement checks like data respect, two-way attestation, and security from individual gadget risks should be executed by the site. Various exchanging happens everywhere, so client help ought to be open interminably to answer delegate requests, express issues, and record-related issues. Merchants have various inclinations and exchange strategies. The power site of currency markets coordinators gives the best degree of purchaser support as well as offers customization that licenses transporters to change their exchanging climate and sets them a circumstance to make themselves inclined toward plans and settings. Subsequently, it could be said that the impact of different kinds of exchange on the improvement of a cash-producing business site is critical. To equip unfamiliar merchants with expected and huge trade information, the site association, comfort, and parts ought to concur with their necessities and tendencies. Exchanging new financial structures is directed by a couple of working environments. To guarantee consistency with suitable immense leads, currency markets coordinators' development ought to consider the managerial necessities of the average business region.